When we start drawing in school, that is in the elementary class, then we have geometry box with us. This geometry box contains various tools apart from your pencil, your pen, your eraser, your sharpener. So these geometric tools, I'm just going to give you an overview of what all these tools are, important tools, and then how they are useful and for what they are used. So we have seen that the figures which early geometers studied, like the points, line and angles, they were made by rulers and compass only. But now we have, if you see more geometric designs, there are more geometric tools that were invented. The ruler, the first one is the ruler. The ruler is a rectangle shaped, it can be of wood, it can be of plastic. So it's a straight edged tool, and it is used to construct first of all these straight lines and also to measure the length of line segment, or you use compass, and compass you measure distance from scales only. And these straight edges are used for drawing these straight lines. And for convenience, we have different calibrations here. See, this is in centimeters, and you know that because 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, so we have millimeters also. This is 1 millimeter, this is 1 centimeter. Here we have in inches also. So see, if you have to draw a line which is 4.3, you'll start from here, you'll have to make a very straight line, you'll go up to this point. This is 4.3. So this is how you draw a line. Then we have a very important tool which is called compass. So if you see, it's an inverted V shape tool which holds the pencil on one side of this V, and there is a very pointed nib or pointer, we call it. Wherever we place it, it goes inside, say it goes inside the paper somewhat. So distance of these two, that is the pencil and the pointer, is adjustable because we have a hinge here. So it can be adjusted. It can be like this also. It can go up to like this also. So this distance can be changed. Why it is used? It is used to trace the arc. If you put a point here and just roll on, this pencil is going to cut arcs. It can go to make a circle also, complete circle, and angles also. And it is used to mark equal lengths. This is also one of the task or job of compasses. Then the protractor. This protractor is a if you see, it is a semicircle shaped tool. So a circle is like this, because it is half, it is semicircle, and this is a semicircular disc, and this is used to draw and measure angles. If you see, it is calibrated or graduated from 0 degree here to 180 degree. For a straight line, the angle is always 180 degree. So now if you say you have to make an angle of 134, so what you are going to do here is just make a line here, put this disc or put this protractor and mark a point here, say 143, I am saying here. Replace this disc and just join this line. So this angle will be 143 degree. This is how we make the line. So it has a marking, if you see 0 to 180 degrees. Basically, it is used to measure angles and to draw angles. Then we have the brother of compass, which is called the divider. If you see, it is exactly like divider. Only thing is that we don't have a pencil here. So these are two pointers here, and this is again a V-shaped, and it has two pointers on its end, this pointer, this pointer. And the distance again can be adjusted because we have a hinge here. So you can just take out this one, take out this, spread out these two. So it is adjustable, and it is used to measure and compare the lengths. So if you have, say, two lines, just put it here, adjust it, and with the same distance try to put it here. If it is like this, oh, these two lines are non-equal. This is how we use the divider. Then we have the set squares. So set squares, why we are calling it set square? Because see, one is the triangle, and then the other is also triangle, and if you combine, it is making a square. So that is why we are calling it as a set square. set square. So these are two triangular pieces of plastic with some portion, see this portion, have been carved out or this has been removed. So these are two kinds of set square if you see, and one has the angle, certain angles, 45 degree, 90 degree, the other has 30, 60 and 90 degree. So we have these angles and these angles. These are the angles of 45 degree, 45, 90, and these are the angle of 30, that is 60 and 90 degree. And they are used to draw parallel lines. If you combine these two like this, you can just make a line here, make a line here, these lines will be parallel. And also for these angles also, these are used. So this is the basic idea about the geometric tools you start using in your elementary classes. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.